Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red line here is coming from. And kind of a case of deja vu in regards to what I talked about in the last video, because once again, this 0088 mark is quite the stubborn level. And it's kind of a tricky level of resistance because it's not a level of resistance in the sense of, well, the price can just not, the price just can't get above it. No, back here on Friday, the price got above it several times. And then you fast forward to today and this afternoon, once again, the price was actually able to get above it. So getting up above it is not the problem. The problem is the price just can't stay up above it. It's like every single time the price gets up above it, it's kind of like the bears have a magnet and they just suck the price right back down. Suck the price right back down. So again, I would fully agree that 0088 has been weakened up, like I talked about on Friday. But as far as the area being a level of resistance, it is still a level of resistance. Sure, you can say it's a weakened level of resistance, but it's quite the stubborn area because the price, and I mean really you could factor in over here when the price got up above it and then couldn't maintain it. But right there is where it actually just flat out rejected the price. So 0088, the point being, remains at very stubborn level. I will add in one more area of resistance now that we have more data, and that would be up there at the 0.0113 mark. So 0.0113 is that next key overall level, but again, 0088, that very stubborn level, and there's no doubt about it. So today was still a good move, don't get me wrong. I mean, over the past several days, you can see when you factor in where the lows have been, and these lows just keep getting higher and higher. So from the bullish side of things, that's good when you have stair steps, if you envision each of those as stair steps progressing the upwards direction. But as far as the resistance front, that 0088 mark, very, very stubborn. The week is young, though, still 4 days left, so we'll see if the price can finally get a break up above it, but then most importantly, stay up above it. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.